Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, obviously you can see I'm doing some Valentine DIYs. This is going to be probably my only Valentine DIY video unless I can come up with something else. But I'm not a Valentine's Day decorator and we don't really celebrate Valentine's Day. We don't do the Valentine's Day thing. But I came up with a couple things I picked up at Dollar Tree. I just wanted to use them and get them out of the way. And then I'm just gonna be probably doing a lot more trash to treasure videos on this channel. It's just kind of what I like. 90% of the items I got were from Dollar Tree. The other 10% were just pieces of scrap wood I found in my garage. Presley's over here, it happens. We all know you get Presley somewhere or another. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on to 6 Dollar Tree / scrapwood DIYs. For the first DIY, I'm going to be making a wreath with this wreath form, this love sign here, right here. I'm just putting the barcode, so if you need to screenshot it, if you need to find it, I know somebody asked. There it is. I'm just going to be taking some burlap, and I glue the first piece of burlap. I'm going to be like weaving or looping this through. I never have the right words. I actually glued it on the wrong part. I should have actually glued it to the upper part of the bottom instead, just because I was having a really ridiculous hard time with this. I always get this burlap from Burlap Fabric, and I actually just ran out. This is a big, like, 100-yard roll. I've had it for over a year, and it has done my projects well. So if you guys want to check out Burlap Fabric, not sponsored or anything, but that link will be in the description box. This burlap is absolutely amazing. It kind of smells like cow poop, like when you open it, but it is like legit burlap. So I feel like that's just kind of what it smells like, but it doesn't, the smell doesn't stay forever. But all I'm doing is I'm just taking the burlap and I'm putting it through the bottom and up, and then I am just bottom and up. I'm taking the burlap and then I'm looping it through the bottom, and then I'm doing it through the other part. So there's only two little areas. So I'm just actually pushing the burlap up. You can twist it to hold it. Always make sure you hold the burlap. This is really hard to explain. I have a better self-explanatory video. I'll leave that link to show you guys how to do these wreaths a lot better, because obviously my explaining today is just not on par right now. I don't know. It's maybe because I'm tired. I don't know what it is. But yeah, so you just kind of loop it through the bottom, twist it, loop it through the other end, and then just keep going until you get all the way. This is where I ran out of burlap. I had to find burlap sheets and cut and glue, and I didn't want to show that process because normally that doesn't happen. And then you just kind of poof it out. I flip it over. I kind of tuck pieces in that can be tucked. I will glue pieces that need to be glued to hold everything in place, because if you don't, these wreaths will fall apart like crazy. Everything will just start falling out the bottom if you don't twist, if you don't loop, if you don't glue, if you don't tuck, all of that. And then I'm just taking hot glue, gluing the love sign on. The love sign, I don't think it is actually a Valentine's decor piece. I have one that says home and family as well, and they're like blue and green. So I think they would be probably in like the decor or like frame area if you guys can't find them. I'm just guessing. I'm throwing in some baby's breath here, and that's it for this wreath. Everything I am doing is super simple and easy. I'm making it easy for everybody so everybody can make these DIYs, these crafts, if you guys choose to. Well, this is it. I love these little burlap wreaths. They're my absolute favorite. I probably have 50 of them.
Stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't.
This is the second wreath for the video. I picked this up for $1 at a garage sale. This little foam heart is obviously from the Dollar Tree. Some ribbon is also from Dollar Tree. And I was painting, so my fingers are red. And this galvanized decor. And I'm just taking the ribbon and I'm hot gluing one of the pieces down. And then I'm just going to be wrapping it around the wreath. This is like a really simple and easy, like 5-minute craft. So if you're looking for something to do fast, throw on your door, this is probably it for you. This probably took 5 minutes, maybe less. Probably took my hot glue gun longer to warm up than it took me to wrap everything around. I try to make it even as possible, but you know, I mean, when we're on a time crunch, or you know your kid's getting out of school in 10 minutes, you got to get stuff done before they ruin everything. You know, you start to like lose track of what you want to do, and you just kind of give up when your kids are out of school. And then I just glued the foam heart on, and then I chose the Valentine galvanized piece because that was the longest piece that would, or the longest word that would go across this wreath, and voila, there we go. I think this is really cute, and it's super simple. It costs a few dollars, about $5, $4 if you don't want to count the galvanized sign. I mean, you bought it, but you still have 2 other ones. What? Well, there you go. There's an easy 5-minute craft for you.
To make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this change.
This next one, I just wanted to show off my cutting skills right here. I had pieces of wood that looked like this, and then I cut them to 4.5 inches and into perfect squares, and I painted them white with a Waverly chalk paint. I kind of just saved that for you because, I don't know, is painting boring? I don't know. I just took some stencils and put LOVE, love, and some black acrylic paint, and I'm just painting these. You can add ribbon, you can add decor, you can add whatever you want. I wanted to honestly make these into little Scrabble letters, but I changed my mind. I wanted the white on the black because I think it just kind of goes with my decor. It's probably not the most Valentine's-y beautiful thing you've ever seen, but I really like it. I love the way it looks, and if you put some red with it or you put some red flowers, a vase of flowers next to it, it definitely kind of goes with it. But this was easy. This was free for me because I had everything on hand. The scrap wood my neighbor always kind of gives me when she cleans her garage out, and yeah, so there you go. This was simple, easy, and free is what I love. This next DIY, I'm just using the back of this board, and I'm just painting it with a pink acrylic paint. I threw in some white, kind of mixed it together to make a light pink, and then I'm just kind of doing like a little ombre style. I have never painted anything like this, so if you can tell that I kind of didn't do the very best. I love it regardless. But yeah, so I threw in like some red and kind of just trying to mix it together and blend it, and I think it looks cute. I think this would be like a really cute gift idea of what I'm coming up with. You'll see like as I go like why it would be a good gift idea versus like decor. But this is what it looks like. I think I did a good job for my first little ombre tutorial painting. I have some white twine and I'm just kind of wrapping it around and twisting it so it will hold photos. We're making a cute little photo decor piece right now. And I didn't take that little galvanized heart off the back. I'm definitely going to because I think I'd like to use that for a different DIY. Not to say it might not be Valentine's Day, but it might be something else. But I love those little galvanized hearts. They're super cute. I've never been able to find these signs at my Dollar Tree ever, so I did pick up a few of them. I'm just taking a little love from the galvanized 3-pack and gluing it to the top. And then this ribbon I've had forever, and I thought the bottom was kind of sad, so I just wanted to add some ribbon at the bottom. I'm not sure if I absolutely love that, but it was something. Wood clothespins from Dollar Tree. These pictures, I have this little Instax camera, and I just took some pictures with my kids and of my kids, and I'm just placing them right here. I think this is like such a cute gift. Like I would love as a mom or as a wife to receive something like this just because it just comes from the heart and it's homemade, and I am all about homemade gifts, and we're not even going to go there because I get all emotional and touchy and, you know, whatever when it comes to homemade gifts. But this is what it looks like when it's all done. It was only a couple dollars, and I think it is adorable. And like I said, if you don't have a camera like that, you can just take regular pictures, make up some wallet sizes at Walmart. I think they're only like 25 cents or 28 cents to make wallet sizes, which is so cheap. And you could definitely do this too.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking.
With this next one, I'm just using a free printable from Pinterest. I will leave that link in the description box. And this frame, I don't know why I didn't zoom out with my camera, but I didn't. And I just put the free printable right in this cute little frame, and that's it. How easy is that? $1. Super simple. And like, this is really cute. Like, it's super cute. Yeah, it's cute. I like it. This right here is another free printable. It says Be Mine. I like this. I have a scrap piece of wood. It's probably not the most prettiest piece of wood, but it works. And then I am just going to trace out this Be Mine with this little graphite paper or this tracing paper, whatever you'd like to call it. I'll leave this link to if you guys want to check that out. It's by Arteza, but I'm sure you can pick it up wherever. I'm just going to trace it with a pen, and then once that is done, I'm actually using my wood burner I received for Christmas. This is another really cute gift idea. The wood burner came from Walmart. It was a gift, but they're under 20 bucks, I want to say, for this, and this is another really great DIY gift idea just because it's nice. And like I said, I would like to put something like this in my decor or in my room or something like that if somebody made it for me. I'm a sucker for the homemade gifts. But this is the first time I ever used it, so if you guys have any tips for me if you use this often. I watched some classes and things like that on Skillshare, and I'm like overly obsessed with watching people do this. It's time consuming because you can't be fast, and I love anything that is fast and easy and quick. This is not. So if you like fast, this is not for you. But if you are a perfectionist, like, let me know how I can make some of my lines better. I'm using the calligraphy tip for this, and that's what I was supposed to use for letters and things like that. So if you guys have any tips for me, leave them in the comments. I would absolutely love those. I just went back with some of my white twine, tied it to the side, wrapped it around a few times, and that's it. I love this. I think it's adorable. I was really proud for my first time using a wood burner, and I didn't burn myself. You guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And yeah, that's it for my Valentine's DIYs. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!